What size solar system should I get? The first thing we're gonna look at is the consumption of the entire home. We're gonna look at things like lights, refrigerator, microwave, any large appliances like AC unit, oven, dryer, things like that, along with any future use. So if you plan on increasing your usage, like installing a pool, getting an electric vehicle charger, right? Or getting a spa, all of those things are gonna be accounted for when sizing the system. After we have the consumption of the property, we're then going to size the system to be 100 to 120% of the current consumption in the home. The reason that we go up to 120% is because sometimes people are living a little more comfortably right now or conservative because electricity is so expensive. But once they go solar and it's less expensive, they then tend to use a little bit more. So we'll size that accordingly, right? If they plan on increasing or decreasing their AC unit and just living more comfortable in their home, then we want to account for that. Once we know what offset we're going to size the system, we then have to put that system on your roof and customize it to your home with your coordinates, your weather data, shade report, and your irradiance to know exactly what that system is gonna produce for the year, right? Because the goal when sizing the system is to eliminate the electricity bill with the solar system altogether. We wanna make it to where you don't have to pay PG&E at all. So the goal is always to eliminate that. So we look at the irradiance, we look at the direction of the roof, and we offset all of the consumption in the house along with future usage.